Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to reset the home screen layout in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on general and then click on transfer or reset iPhone and reset, and here you can see the option reset home screen layout. Simply click on reset home screen layout and here it will be confirmed to reset your home screen layout. After reset your home screen layout, on home screen you can see your widgets and all the apps icon will be reset and by default. So this is the way to reset the home screen layout in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.